else is in here?
Steven!
Really? Thanksgiving, you invite Steven?
Yes?
Robert's idea, wasn't it?
Go make the cake. Somebody had to invite him, otherwise somebody hurt his feelings. Or he killed me.
Wasn't much of a bad idea.
Guys, stop inviting. It's Thanksgiving.
Who's fighting? Hormones do hormones.
You almost done, Steven?
So when-
Yeah, I just finished.
So when are we going to get started?
This is my cake.
Okay, so we're going to have a Thanksgiving dinner and he's playing video games. Really?
I have to play that Skyrim, man.
Just turn it off. Turn it off right now. That's a horrible game.
One does not simply turn off Skyrim.
I made cake.
I was playing it all night, dude. I didn't even go to bed.
I'm sorry. Here.
Oh, it's not gonna do any good now. I'm already dead.
Just
Get
serve
out.
the cake.
Get out. Out! Out!
You're really going to let him do this?
Cake?
Okay, you want to go? You go with him.
You ungrateful wench.
You do not tell me what to do.
Siblings.
Go have
You want to go there?
Al, here's a good idea. Go have Thanksgiving at your boyfriend's house.
Don't want to push me.
You want to push me to the table? Might want to go check on him.
Yeah. Are you okay?
That is disgusting. What is in that cake?
Chocolate?
Chocolate isn't disgusting. That's disgusting.
Steven, what's in the cake?
Laxatives?
That's what it's going to do. It won't do.
Okay, I'm leaving. Bye.
Laxatives? Laxatives.
No.
Laxatives. Just get away. Get away.
I didn't.
One.
Forever alone.
What the heck?